Welcome back, my name is Jake Rowland. We're fixing the M2 once again. Today I'm going to be putting the suspension arm on the offside front. Going to jack it up, take the under tray off, whip the wheels off, and then we're going to put that on so I can drive it into the shed and hopefully lift it up onto the ramp and we can see if there's any more damage underneath. I did look into the damage, it can be fixed, and ordered a new subframe as well, which is annoying. And I've actually returned the wing mirror that I bought, because I ordered a wing mirror, but I fixed the one on it already. And it already had the case on it, so I didn't need a wing mirror. I've ordered CSL bonnet for it. I should have it maybe today, I'm not too sure. I might replace the front bumper because it's got damage on it, so I was thinking I might get it resprayed. I can get a new bumper for the same price as it would cost to respray it. And also, I don't know if you've seen the really tacky front parking sensors someone has put on it. I don't really care about parking sensors, so I'm probably going to remove them because it's a really bad job they've done. On the dash, they've got this little button as well for sensors. I need to replace the dash anyway, so that's going to be gone. Parking sensors are going. They're out. They don't look good. And I'm not a shit driver. No, I'm joking. Let's get started. Let's get it jacked up and let's go. This is the new suspension arm that I got. Not new, second hand. It'll do for now. I'm gonna go get my little mat to lay on the floor and it's not uncomfortable. So I'm gonna whip off the under tray box. I'm gonna whip off the under tray so I can gain access to two 18mm bolts that go here. Well, one's a bolt, one's a nut. Let's get into it. Let's go. So, we've got the under trail, as you can see, that's my suspension arm, and it should look like that. I can't really tell if anything else is bent. This doesn't look bent, anti-roll bar doesn't look bent, but that subframe is bent right there. I'm gonna hopefully test the new subframe. If the new subframe fits, without me having to get any jig work done, then fantastic. I need to whip this off so I can drive it now. And then we'll go from there. To replace it, I'm just going to need 18mm. Wait, hold on. No, that's a 20. That's a 19, sorry. And these are 18mm there. These are 20. Got 20. I say this is a nightmare to get to. This is horrible. Only because I've been lazy. I haven't taken the wheel arch off. If I took the wheel arch off, it would be a lot easier. Ow. I'm gonna go get my hammer. I'll get my hammer. Back in a minute.
A few moments later.
I'm back with a hammer. Nice. Still haven't taken this wheel arch. Get enough clearance on it. I think this wheel arch actually needs to come off as well. It's just a nightmare. It's so bent. This bolt here, I'm trying to get. Let me see if I can. This one. What was that?
It's my end.
Oh, don't want to know.
Yeah, what?
Don't want to know. I can't get it out.
Get what out?
The arm. Stupidest position ever. Put it there.
Jump out.
That's a full lock as well, isn't it?
Get out the way.
Is that full lock?
No, get out the way. Let me have a
I'm
look.
pretty sure it is.
Let me have a look. Well, I'll leave you to it.
Go on. It's a little update. my phone went flat. Also ran out of storage, so quick update. We've got it on the ramp. Unfortunately, replacing that suspension arm hasn't actually put the alignment dead straight. Like that, the wheel's straight now, and then this wheel is facing towards me. It's not good. Yeah, I've just searched up Imperials, and I found the car for sale. It had 15k when it was for sale in 2022 or 2021, I'm not too sure. Just gonna show you underneath the car quick. You can see here a splitter on it. In the photos on Imperials, it has a really nice splitter on it. So I'm kind of sad that that's gone. Here's the new arm, but the alignment's still out. So we're gonna replace, this is the damage on the subframe. We're gonna replace this subframe, and then hopefully, once that's done, I'll then go over and if it's still out, I'll do an alignment. If the alignment doesn't work, it means one of these arms here are bent. But underneath is crystal clean. I mean, there's no signs of oil leaks here. Everything here looks pretty decent. There's a bit of damage on the wheel, which was a bit annoying. Not much damage. Come underneath the vehicle. Been damaged on the rear diff from the forklift. But these are cooling fins anyway, so these cool your oil in the differential. It's not that deep because I've still got most of them. However, it is really annoying that is cracked. Like, I'm lucky that it hasn't split the diff. But yeah, all the tyres are in good nick. Quite happy with that. I've nicked this wheel. No, I'm joking, I didn't nick it. But yeah, so we've got the wheel on so we can move it back and forth, but I will be dropping this subframe as soon as possible and I'll do a video on it and everything. Meanwhile, I've bought a CSL bonnet, CSL style bonnet, and I'm gonna replace this bumper. Because this tacky job they've done here is awful. I don't know if you can see how bad this job is. These parking sensor jobs are awful. I mean, look at that. That is horrendous. Whoever did it, and I mean, it is slightly damaged as well. That's what we're going to be doing, but not today because I can't have it on the ramp today. But yeah, so that's the plan. So thank you very much for watching, and the next episode we'll be replacing bonnet, bumper, and probably the subframe. So let's go.